If bypass charging does not work on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then first of all we need to go to settings, and we're gonna scroll down here to go to advanced features. Now let's go to the game booster settings, and of course over here we can activate bypass charging if everything is set up correctly. And there are three main conditions that must be met to make sure that bypass charging is going to work. The first one is that the power supply must be compatible with Samsung Galaxy smartphones or devices in general. Besides that, the second condition is that the bypass charger must have at least 25 watts or more, of course, so at least 25 watts. And the third condition is that the battery on your Z Flip 8 must be 20% or more. Over here we can read that the battery must be over 20% to be able to use bypass charging. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.